Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed in and your device iOS version supports the app build you want. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. This reveals account options. Next, search for the app or open your purchase list to find it. Once done, you'll see whether an update button or the app page shows multiple versions or test flight options. This is the doorway to changing the installed version. Decide where the version will come from: the App Store, test flight, or a backup. If you want the current public release, tap Update. If a beta or alternate build is available, open test flight and accept the build to install it. Test flight keeps previous builds until revoked. For downgrades, you'll need an archived backup or an enterprise/internal IPA signed for your device. Make sure to understand why you need a different version before moving forward. Install the selected build and watch progress in the App Store or test flight. Allow any required permissions. After installation, verify the version number in the app's About screen or in Settings General iPhone Storage to confirm success. If something goes wrong, reboot the device first, then check storage and network, confirm Apple ID is correct, and try reinstalling. If you were downgrading and the app won't run, restore from a backup that can.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.